Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my journal, and it is for the week of March 15th through the 21st. I'm going to be using the same sticker book. I have really been enjoying it, so I think I'm just gonna stick with it. So it is the Recollections Florals. I used it so much, there's not many sheets left. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out, and I'm going to pull out the washi tape that is matching this sticker book. So I'm going to go ahead and start by, what should I do? That's the question. Maybe I can put this big sticker right on the edge of this page and see how that looks. Yep, I think this is pretty fantastic. Except the lines are showing through, so let's fix that. And while I'm fixing up the lines, I wanted to say thank you if you are subscribed to my channel already. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and comments. I appreciate you guys more than you know. And if you are new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as part of this planner journey, and all of the fun that we have together it's just a blast. So I would love if you could join and be a part of this beautiful journey with me. Okay, the sticker is down. First sticker that always sets the tone for my plan with me somehow. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue kind of grabbing stickers. I think this round beautiful leaf can go right over the notes section. And let's continue. I'm gonna cover up that flower on the edge with a bigger flower, and this way, of course, I need my correction tape, don't I? Because I can't cover the whole thing. Maybe I can just do like the lower part or something like that and go from there. Right, let's see. That is awesome. Okay, let me go ahead and give you that. Put that down. That looks amazing. Yes, perfect. Okay. And let me cut the edges of that. And as you can see, this is the previous week. Same book, same stickers, simply gorgeous. So this is why I'm continuing using this. I just can't get enough. Okay, next thing, let's take a look. I don't know if I want to use those little ones, maybe not. So I'm going to take this huge one that's like front and center on this page and place it like across Monday through Wednesday. That's how big it is. Oh my gosh, what is with me and ripping stickers lately? Okay, I think I'm too powerful. That might be it. Okay, let's go ahead and place that down. I think that looks amazing. And again, as always, I have no clue what's going to be happening that week. So I really have no idea how much room I need to write. So I'm just guesstimating here. And I was thinking about adding this really beautiful floral as well, but unfortunately I think that that one has too much green background, and I'm not really sure if I want to add anything to that circle. That circle is just so beautiful on its own. And I'm gonna go ahead and start kind of playing with a little bit of the smaller circles and adding them to my planner. I'm gonna start off by adding one to Thursday, and then layering it with a smaller one. And again, these recollection stickers are absolutely gorgeous. They are nude and just so classy that there's nothing that I can't do with them. Okay, let's add that there, and maybe one on this side. Okay, thank you so much again if you are here sticking with me through this pretty hard creative process. Sometimes it is so hard to make a decision where to put my stickers. Excuse me, I'm not sure why this is such a difficult process for me once in a while, but it's just my brain works where it wants like the best thing, and if something is off, it's gonna continue to search and kind of look for a solution. Probably not the best thing. It's probably this perfectionist thing, but it's just the way it works for me, and I'm not sure if you guys have the same experiences, but if you do, I'm there with you. Okay, and I use this absolutely gorgeous washi tape. If you guys saw this, it is incredible. And I'm just moving the sticker book away because I'm gonna need to figure out a way to add this washi without using as much real estate as I did on this bottom portion. I need more room to write, so I have this trick where I will take a piece of washi, cut it up into the section that I need, or a little bit longer. And of course this one got stuck on a page. Ooh, how awesome is that? So I'm gonna cut a piece that's a little bit longer than I need, and I'm going to kind of stick it down on my paper trimmer. This is a super small one. I have a bigger one, and I have like one of those huge page chopping ones. So I have all of it, but this is the one I use mostly, and it's tiny and great, and it works awesome for my planner pages. And I will just slice it with that slicer, and that will create 2 strips of washi from that one. And this washi has this really beautiful gold detailing in it that I can't get enough. So let me just place that across. Look how pretty. Do you see all of those speckles? If you do, that's gold foil. So I'm just taking my retractable X-Acto knife and just cutting the excess off, and there you have it. That's what that looks like. And then I'm gonna add that to the top of the other side as well. I think that that's gonna elevate the page a little bit, and without removing too much of possibility of writing. And I just took my X-Acto knife again and trimmed it all around the circle, and then I just need to take it off at the line and I think the washi part is pretty much done. What do you guys think about the spread? I really love the graphic of the wide washi, but again, it's just too much of space that would take out of my page. I do need that space to write. I'm just gonna add another kind of detail to this planner with this beautiful, almost eucalyptus-like looking branch. And I'm just gonna add it right there, so then this way I can write around it. I think that's gonna work pretty great. Okay, and let me trim that little piece off. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this plan with me. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would truly love to see all of those likes and all the support that you guys give me. Again, I truly appreciate it. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Have a great week. Bye!